Tripartite talks of UNC, Government of Manipur and Government of India end with no definite resolution at Senapati headquarters today. JSC's 36-hour general strike over Imphal East District Hospital row affects normal lives at various places. Imphal city remains unaffected. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Y. Kem Chan attributes lack of development in the state to voters choosing wrong candidates during elections. And the BJP leader B.S. Yeddyurappa resigns as Karnataka Chief Minister ahead of the crucial Karnataka floor test to prove the majority. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. The tripartite talks between United Naga Council, UNC, Government of Manipur and Government of India at Senapati district headquarters ended with no definite resolution today. The earlier agreed points were reviewed during the talks. The UNC has shown strong reaction to non-adherence to the four Memorandum of Understanding with the Government of Manipur and the Government of India's assurance on the matter. The UNC further strongly reacted at the failure of the state government to issue advisory to authorities concerned to ease out problems faced by general public subsequent to creation of new districts and finalized its stand on UNC demands by last April 10 and to inform about the same to the central government and UNC. Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian and Education Minister T.H. Radhesham represented Government of Manipur, President of UNC Gaidon Kame, General Secretary of UNC S. Milan, President of ANSAM Joseph Adani and President of Naga Women Union Asha Ungnam represented the UNC and Joint Secretary of the Ministry of Home Affairs Northeast Satyendra Garg represented the central government in the tripartite talks. The three parties have fixed July 28 this year for the next round of talks where the state government has agreed to prepare a concrete proposal.
State government that don't have courage to solve these problems. We need total will to solve any kind of problems, but they don't have. So far, no that kind of decision, and we'll have another round of talk on coming 28 July. So there, the government of Manipur has agreed to submit a concrete proposal. In every meeting, they agreed, they assured, but they failed. This kind of irresponsible government, we don't have trust. If government is come out with some certain concrete proposal, we are ready to settle and share the problem, discuss the problem. We are ready for solving the problem. But state government, they are trying to run away from the position. They have agreed, they have signed, and they will say sorry. This is the mentality and character of the state government.
Kwaramban Nupi Kaitel Sinfam Amadi Saktam Kanbalup in a press release informed that business transactions at Ima Market will be halted from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. on May 21 in support to the movement initiated by UCM, AMUCO and CCSK for protection of the territorial integrity of the state. The 36-hour general strike called on by the JSC against unnatural shifting of district hospital Imphal East Sagolmang has affected normal lives in various places of the state. As part of the strike, Kurai and Kundrakpam constituencies wore a deserted look. Supporters of the Bund took to the streets and blocked the roads with piled up locks and burnt tires. Business halted at Lamlong Bazaar and Kurai. Bund supporters also blocked the connecting roads between Imphal and Ukrul at Lamlong Bazaar. Protesters also blocked roads in different areas of Kundrakpam constituency, particularly Purabi, Kaibi Haikak Makhong, Taret Khun, Sagolmang Bazar, Yumnam Kuno, Sambay and Kundrakpam Mayai Laikai. Vigilant security personnel including riot control vehicles are posted in Kundrakpam constituency to monitor any untoward incident resulting from the strike. The general strike, however, fails to affect Imphal city, especially Kweramban market where normal business transactions were carried out as usual. It may be mentioned that the 36-hour strike was called by the JSC in retaliation against the government's decision to shift the construction site of Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang to Kiamgai. Kuki in P. Sagolmang has also declared to support the JSC in this regard. The general strike will continue till 5 p.m. of May 20. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Y. Khemchan, has asserted that the main reason for lack of development in the state is due to the fact that people during elections are often swayed towards wealthy, corrupted candidates instead of looking out for candidates who can actually take up developmental works. He added that the society will progress only when people cooperate and redress each other's shortcomings instead of blaming one another. Speaker Khemchan was speaking at a seminar held in connection with the Diamond Jubilee celebration of the Cultural Forum Manipur at the Banquet Hall of Manipur Rifles today. The two-day seminar on the theme Dynamics of Contemporary Manipuri Literature was held with an aim to promote Manipuri literature and to encourage young contemporary writers of Manipuri literature. Speaking on the occasion, President of the Cultural Forum Manipur, Professor Huirem Bihari, called for knowing one's traditions and culture in depth in coming to terms with one's identity. He hoped that present contemporary writers will incorporate age-old proverbs in their writings. Professor Bihari also called on to explore the origin of Manipuri society and discover its true history. Many prominent personalities of Manipuri literature presented papers at the seminar.
Social political issue kitang nainap taragadi ay di Manipur se luwilim thamjani because election ki matam la kanda laikai gi natraga samaj gi natraga kendra dugi thabak tawbagang mudomi thibagi mahutta sen khwaida gi paibat thirak pasina filam kudimakta sothabagi masak oibagi maram amani na thamjaraga political consciousness ama koi samaj da ton ton ba section of society de gi su masi ai de howagi matam oirabra aina thamjani
अकोई इसागी आइडेंटिटी खंगे अदि अकोई कल्चर यामन नाच यामन थीजन खंगबता ममागी पिबुंगनुंदगी मालेमदा खोंदारग मतमदा मा धर्म यावदे मदुई एग्जांपल दो अकोई खंगे अंगाम पोको मतमदा मपा चंगोन कोई माइबीना मपा दु चलगा दा हिंदूगीना हरे कृष्ण कामजल नाम जे अंगाम सुमन गंगदुनी येमो मादी विदाउट रिलीजन पोलै अंगाम गुदा नमफुदा नमपोई पोई.
Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Yumnam Khemchan, has opined that local clubs in different localities play a significant role in making Manipur a pioneering state of India in the field of sports. The speaker made this statement at the 8th Foundation Day of Social Upliftment Organization (SUO) at Singjamei Top Lekai today. Speaker Khemchan, along with other dignitaries who attended the function, also planted 3 saplings around the complex of the Social Upliftment Organization to mark the day. A public shed to be utilized by the people of the locality was also inaugurated on the occasion. An elderly woman of the locality was also presented with monetary assistance on the occasion.
Manipur ki sanabagi lamda tongan ba laikai club singa soba daitama laurambadagi ngasi Manipuri jati na Bharata sanabagi lamda mangking thana sapang bani haina thamjarakanda ai club sina pangtok piriba thab kayada matam matam gi mateng bangba badi sayok bangam jage.
The JSC formed in connection with the Thanga rape case entitled Pari Imom Kanba Lub, which was formed by the locality members of the accused of the case, drew the attention of the authorities concerned to disclose the medical report and expedite the case without further delay. The JSC further termed it unfortunate that reports shaming the accused appeared on local dailies without proper investigation. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, JSC President Haisnam Ashangbi stated that it is important to identify the relation between the victim and the accused before blaming any party. According to Ashangbi, the alleged victim and the accused were in a romantic relationship, and it was the girl who called for the boy on February 13 and pleaded the boy to elope with her following a family quarrel, but the boy refused, stating that it was not the right time, and both parted ways. However, the girl's family started searching for the girl late evening on the same day, since the girl did not return home. It was then that the boy who was at home joined the search along with some of his family members and located the girl staying at one of her relatives' place. However, it was at this juncture that the girl's family accused the boy of raping the girl and demanded 10 lakh rupees from the boy's family. Ashangbi said the boy along with two of his friends were put in a juvenile observation home the next day after family members of the girl created an uproar at the boy's house. She also said 2 months after the incident, out of the blue, a boy reading in class 10 along with a 25-year-old man was apprehended by the police as perpetrators of the case. Haishnam Ashangbi further maintains that the JSC will support any consequences even if the boys are the real culprits. However, she appeals to the authorities concerned to probe deeper into the case.
Mogi woidaba mayamsina sum haijalakpasina adana mi ani wali manga wali a haisnang mi adu wali haibegi ipomjina thak thak niknare ha rajniti gi adu tawre masida rajniti gi kanam tak khuthinjanba leiti moina hairigi yawbiraktana asumba bu puthokpiredi haraujabani adu kanam ta ngasi khuthaba lehi robindro masamaksida ain hek khoiramdana haibani ibunga ani makki sinang karino samtai taru yana halu ni hoidi yamna ware tabada haiba kanda ine aidi chukyaw yawroi chalamgi ju yawde ini hoine ju yadi haibagi nuaitaba tawbin hoina hairaga mamaide khara lerakanda mahakna ju ma asmane hasnang mi changchangena salamna khabada habe adegi mumana chingdorakpasina aidi hasnamgi ju hai salamgi ju hai ai kanamtagi yawroyedana mana phajana chengtokpiro oba aduni natraga mana mu rajniti yawramgani aidi chukhang khangjadabne huramba makok taw hawi habeg phibamda tahanba adigi nupa macha ji woidama mayam jina sijalaga akiba piraga moina chumna bi wongkhatpa ji jo khoi je sina sukya ya janingde achumba puthokpiu aramba dandi phanghanbiu haiba wafamji iman thamjari.
Second phase of the 5-day special intensified mission Indradhanush from May 21 to 25 will target 558 villages in the state. Altogether, 11 vaccines will be administered to children below 2 years of age and pregnant women to prevent diseases such as diphtheria, measles, rubella, tuberculosis, etc. Speaking at the launching event of the second phase of the mission at Family Welfare Services Directorate, BT Road, Health Director Dr. K. Rajo stated that the mission aims to provide 100% vaccination to 1,393 children below 2 years and 454 pregnant women in 558 villages. A media sensitization workshop was also held as part of the event. Director Rajo further stated that Mission Indradhanush, since its launch in the state in 2015, has given more than 7,76,000 vaccinations in the state. Assuring that the vaccines do not have any side effects, Dr. Rajo appeals to the people not to misuse these vaccines and devalue its credibility. He further appeals to the people for cooperation in achieving the Prime Minister's vision of eradicating all diseases by 2020. The Health Director further maintains that a state task force and a district-level task force have also been established for a successful execution of the mission.
Fazana taste orga, fazana season of hidani, masi side effect like the India government, Mamaniam Sang Sarga, distribute of ni, Masida, Muslim than a Sikakadamni, Mete than a Sikakadamni, tribal than a Sikakadamni, Habit Late, Hida Kudimak Samani, Social Welfare Department. So, overall, NGO sing World Health Organization, UNDP, Nasagi Rotary Club, departments, school department, Labor Mayam say, Put Puna Tabuk to Binabini, and the Indian Patriotic Association, Labor Mayam say, Put Puna Sansan Minadana, Yakuigi, Manipur, Nasagi vaccine preventable, or Balana Mayam say, Mutasi, Masil Heloisi, Anova, Sakras in a Pakal, Liba Pandamase, Yakuigi Honsi.
Speaking on the sidelines, State Mission Director of NHM, IASN Bandana, asserted that under Gram Swaraj Abhiyan, also known as Village Self-Governance, the mission aims to establish and sustain a healthy society. She maintains that NHM, as part of Chief Minister's Go to Village mission, has been carrying out vaccinations drives in villages. She further appeals to the people for cooperation and support for the mission established with an objective of creating a healthy society.
Society amada physically mentally healthy oina bu hona bada pikli ba angang sidagi hongna mirolingai dagi hongna yam phajana manung dagi healthy oi basi darkar oi aduna masigi target si phanangai damakta ngasi matam chana routine immunization tawba magi mama sing duda aduga macha sing desu matam chana immunization tawragadi puktiba angang duda lei daba problem pikli ba angang sing magi development stage yamna angba matam stage da khoina matam chana immunization tawraga leina maya ma thinma ngamgadoribani aduna society duda khogi health ki sector da hai batare paisa yam changadab do pingai dagi hongna mado health ki expense control to bangamgadoribani prevention mayam measure mayam si tawraga.
ACME Fertility and Healthcare Center, in association with Jennings Blood Bank, organized the 5th blood donation drive on the theme Give Blood, Save Life at its center near Purana Rajbari, Nongwebung Kusum Oil Pump today. Speaking to media persons, Managing Director of ACME Fertility and Healthcare Center, Dr. James Ilangbam, stated that the blood donation drive was held with an aim to provide awareness on blood donation and to make blood available in times of emergency in hospitals. Over 50 individuals, including members of Lamkoi, service provider of adventure and trekking equipments, donated blood on the occasion.
Donation drive city कोई emergency की blood storage होइना कोई Jennings की blood bank की ता कोई का कुछ समझना any थोपा अदेगी trauma accident कोई सीबना भाई याऊबा अदुगुम्बगी दा कन्नबा कोइना सिटी के donation drive से मयाम दा सुखरा awareness होइना बा अदेगी मयाम ना जु EP बदा यामना कीबा होइना थोपा से करा कन्नबा होइना अपन drives तब.
Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, MCPCR, under the aegis of National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Government of India organized a one-day district-level workshop on Juvenile Justice Act and POCSO at the Convention Hall of Moray Trade Center today. Speaking on the role of Police Department in the implementation of Child Rights Act and Law, SP Technopal District, Dr. S. Bomcha stated that a child family room will be allotted in each police stations at Technopal and Moray shortly. Resource persons Advocate Dr. C.H. Narendra and Advocate Thiam Rajkishore spoke at length on Juvenile Justice Act 2015 and POCSO Act respectively. Member of MCPCR Kasham Pradeep Kumar also spoke on gap and challenges in the implementation of POCSO Act on the occasion. Chairperson of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights Sumati Bala Ningthaujam, DSP Moray Commando Thomas Tokchom, members of civil society organizations in Moray and Technopal, including police officers of Chandil district, attended the workshop. Kanglei Park Students Association KSA conducted drive in Ngari Nali Gully of Thangal Market today. The Students Association seized various tobacco products, which is almost a Tata DI truck lot full, during the drive from non-Manipuri vendors. KSA has intimated that city police has taken the seized tobacco products. Speaking to media persons, Vice President of KSA Sukham Bidyananda lamented that despite repeated appeals not to sell tobacco products, these products detrimental for the youth are still being sold out in the open.
Food Safety and Standard Act की मागी provisions सिंगे मतुंगे ना Health and Family Welfare की Principal Secretary ना योन मदा थिंग मत हमले है ना थोकरबा टॉपिक आइटम सिंगा से इम्फाल मयन ममक्तदा फोंगने योलिबा सिना ताकपदी साउन लौतुनबा मग लोइनना योलकान थिंगलिबा सि ममिंग खक्तिगी ओइना थिंगलिब्रा हाइबगी वहंग अमखक मियामगी थमोइदा फावरे लोइनना असिगुम्बा फेम मसिन मर मयकान ngasiगी नहा सिंगा सिना निसागी पाक्ता लाइचुरगलिबा सिदगी कन्ननबगी दमक्तसु इंडिया पुम्बदा 2003 दगी चनबा हौखिबा द सिगारेट्स एंड अदर टोबैको प्रोडक्ट्स एक्ट 2003 असिगी सरुक अमोइना स्कूल सिंगदसु एंटी टोबैको कैंपेन अमा सथबा हौरगनी.
A police team led by officer in charge Lamphel Police briefly evicted street vendors in Nagaram this morning. The street vendors have strongly condemned the conduct of the police. Ima Panthubi street vendors condemned the police for being biased in their drive by pointing out that the Khumban Lampang Ima Kaitel opposite to ISBT was left untouched. Personnel of Lamphel Police Station carried out the eviction drive around 9:30 this morning and demolished temporary market sheds in Nagaram. However, after a while, the women street vendors resumed their business. Secretary of Ima Panthoibi street vendor El Rangita asserted that street vendor associations in the area have been cooperating various cleanliness drives in Nagaram. She strongly condemned the latest drive against the street vendors in the name of maintaining cleanliness in Nagaram. She lamented that despite repeated requests for a proper market shed for these street vendors in Nagaram, the government has not taken any actions in this regard.
Sumba awaba mayam se theng ubiraga sarkar gi maigi dagi su aikoi gi street vendor gi mafam chaba mafam pibiu haidana sarkar da kayarak demand tawdana ibu bigi matam dagi tawraga lakhre ngasi bok sarkar na tabiba leite adubu hojik su aikoi si singa da si bana parabra haibagi tanjadu aikoi street vendor phamiba kangguda aikoi adugi saithin chapchana phange maramduna aikoi gi khumal lamba ki tangai fadana aikoi gi mafam chaba mafam ama yengbiraga aikoi gi isa isu thapkada sarkarna mating pangbinaba aikoi gi mafam chaba du sembi.
Two illegal Myanmarese immigrants, a mother and her child, heading towards Tripura were apprehended along with two human traffickers yesterday. Impact News sources said acting on a tip-off around 1:30 yesterday afternoon, search operation was carried out at Permanent Vehicle Checkpoint PVCP of 12 Assam Rifles at Kudeng Thabi in Technopal district and arrested the illegal immigrants along with one human trafficker. The arrested immigrants are identified as Alima Begum, 25 years, wife of late Muhammad Rashid, and her 8-year-old daughter. They come from Nolbinda, Kotha state of Myanmar. The arrested human trafficker is identified as Zakir Hussain, 36 years, son of Jamaluddin from Lilong, Haurebi, Wanglaikai in Thaubal district. Forged Aadhaar cards were also seized from the arrested illegal immigrants. Assam Rifles handed over the case to More police for further investigation, which further led to the arrest of the second culprit involved in human trafficking, one Isak Ali, 32 years, son of Kazim Ali from More Ward number 5, the same evening. Salai Agro Products Private Limited, a part of the Salai Holdings of Manipur, which also runs the Smart Society, has been awarded the 2018 SME Empowering India Award at the award function held in Lee Meridian Hotel in New Delhi. The award was presented by the Union Minister of Steel Chaudhary Birendra Singh. Narengbam Samarjit, Chairman and MD of the Salai Holdings, received the trophy on behalf of the company. Salai Agro Products was chosen in the category of food, agro and horticulture product in manufacturing sector. The company currently runs 3 factories in Assam and Manipur, producing a wide range of horticulture products which include edible oil, mushroom, dried turmeric and ginger and flour, etc. The award is being organized by Arukas Media Private Limited and National Productivity Council of India under the Ministry of Commerce and Industries, Government of India. As many as 890 competitors in different categories from across the country competed for the prestigious award. This is the 4th time that Salai Holdings have been awarded in recent times for their various achievements. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the resignation of B.S. Yeddyurappa as the Chief Minister of Karnataka ahead of the floor test to prove majority today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. BJP leader B.S. Yeddyurappa, who was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Karnataka, has resigned from the post ahead of the crucial Karnataka floor test to prove the majority. In an unusually emotional speech, Yeddyurappa said that he failed to muster the numbers. Before announcing his resignation, the BJP leader said, "I will lose nothing if I lose power. My life is for the people." Yeddyurappa will submit his resignation letter to Karnataka Governor Vajubhai Valla. The BJP leaders present in the Vidhana walked out as soon as he resigned. The Supreme Court had earlier ordered for a floor test to prove the majority this afternoon at 4. After the BJP's opting out, the governor of Karnataka might invite the Congress and JDS alliance to form the government. Pro Tem Speaker K.G. Boppaya started the proceedings and read out the agenda of the session. Chief Minister B.S. Yeddyurappa took oath as member of the House. He was followed by Congress Legislative Party leader Siddaramaiah and all other members of the House. It may be recalled that in the recent Karnataka Assembly election, BJP secured 104 seats, Congress 78 seats, JDS 38 and others 2 seats, rendering no absolute majority to any party. The BJP need 8 more seats to reach the magic number of 112 to form the government. Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association has accused the state government of sidelining the Supreme Court's order to increase Home Guard personnel's monthly allowances. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club this afternoon, President of the association, Yanglem Mangi, stated that the state government has been repeatedly approached to increase the monthly allowance of the Home Guard personnel, which is not in sync with the modern time. Mangi said the Supreme Court issued an order to the government of Manipur instructing to pay monthly allowance to Home Guard personnel at par with a police constable. He lamented that despite the Supreme Court's order, the government has failed to take any measures till date. Mangi urged the state government to abide by the Supreme Court's ruling and the Home Department not to hide any judgment of the court. The president of the association further urged for appropriate promotions for efficient Home Guard personnel as per Act and rule.
Supreme Court की order से implement तौबसिगी तौवी नत्रग तौग्रे हाइबगी report से ministry दे यहल हाइबा चिठी में सुकोई भांगे मणिपुर सरकार की Home Department की official सिंगना करी की दमुक्त council तौरग थमी बनो Home Guard में यांग सिबु असुम बदु लोसल लगा सही अहुम चुमना वहली बनो असुम बवहन थोक अदु हौजिक्ति Ministry of Home Affairs ना पीरा अबनीना असुम थबक तुवेना पांगथोक पीरो असुम थबक तो order थोपीरो High Court target piro apan ba mu pibiraganu Home Guard mayam da awaba pibiraganu.
Contract Labour Welfare Union Manipur unit has commenced its hunger strike in retaliation against the termination of 47 contract workers of NHPC Loktak Power Station. Speaking to media persons, President of Contract Labour Welfare Union Manipur unit P. Kumarjit condemned the conceited attitude of General Manager Bashu and further urged the same to clarify his demeanour towards the strike within 5 days. Kumarjit further appeals to the government to take actions against Bashu, failing which the union warned of undertaking various agitations.
Nakoi na thabak su na balai traga ai cement gi wak check gi wak ngang na bige nakoi su no mo gi tara ta na ba hain haiba asigam ba yamna thakshi kasi nai da ba mi usit da ba mi oi babu sa san dong na khan ba asigam ba ma gi wangang se ngasi dagi paraga Mr. Basu General Manager Loktak Power Station nahak na numit tare ningi manungda lebang mayam da Manipuri mayam da nakoi lal haja kadamni khairak tabat taraba General Manager Mr. Basu Bangali Basu nahak Manipuri gi yengna bani haina aikoi na CSO sing Manipur da leiriba organization sing pullaga nahak pu Manipuri gi yengna bani haina nipani subnumita lauthok na basem sare.
The Eastern Ideal High School, a government school in a part of Thongju constituency, is in a deplorable condition, being neglected by the government. Impact News reporter Steffi Soibam and camera person Bhumeshwar bring your report in this regard.
The Eastern Ideal High School, located at the Kampat, 3 km from Imphal City, is found to be in pitiable condition. Speaking to Impact News, headmistress of the school, Vaikom Georgna, said that the roof of the school hall was blown away by a strong wind last year and still remains unrepaired. Moreover, every monsoon classes are held in people's sets due to flooding of the school campus during annual floods. Even though the concerned minister himself had visited and inspected the condition of the school, the headmistress maintained that no actions have been taken up by the government till date.
2017 gi April gi date 29 gi midnight te thokiba yamna kanma cyclone na maram oidana ayamba roof mayam loi humdoki bani adudagi thikada khara laga staff quarter hundoki bedo khara kupsen birame adusu thong thongnau pandri lebe abi pibam da laitrieba ado education minister masamak laktona yengbirame construction se all oire asi pillar ka se yot so mata yaude aduna repairing to ba yaroi full construction tawrasi haiduna noina mo sidu on hairame ado ai ba si ma kari ma yaubon na tamina ko na kamana sidokani.
Altogether, 120 students are currently admitted in the school. Speaking further, the headmistress expressed apprehension that in case of an earthquake, the cracked walls and pillars of the classrooms will further speed up the collapse of the school building.
ICT project ki mataromba oza ma tharakpodo moidi project loire adana chakre adigi sahi mosi computer se kaimta season adana ta adana lairama bane adigi handak se mogi SSC gi oza ma lai primary designing aduga masadi MCA oiba aduna aina battery do lairaga sem haiba mi ga do kauraga phajana sembiraga hoji class 19 gi mogi optional subject computer hange adigi 6 to 9 gi mogi week amada amama moy computer class taw angang ni computer pai be sem pa me ba aduna week am da moy class amam gi computer pai ne period am thame ji taw.
The headmistress further appealed the government and authorities concerned to look into the deplorable condition of the school and take necessary measures at the earliest.
Angang asina khoi gi life ni akhoi gi punsi je angang sing siki tamakta akhoi kathok pa pa me ai school si anung si je ai school si da lei ibe sei phana su kuire angang sing si pharaga makhoi sina pharak pa sina ai gi khoi ojak sing ai gi staff nan teaching staff kari le kai khuding manok su nungai ba aphaba haiba du orgadoi ni aduna aphaba angang puthok sen puthok mina sen hairaga di sarkar gi mage digi su akan mamieng changbiu haibe se ai tarap tagi haijani.
Leaving with the hope that the government will look into these inadequacies, this is Steffi Soibam with camera person Bhumeshwar, Impact News, Akampat. The Eastern Ideal High School located at Akampat, 3 km from Imphal.
Meanwhile, DM College of Teacher Education Imphal began a 2-day Community Contact Program 2018 at the Eastern Ideal High School in Akampat today. Students of the college carried out a cleanliness drive in the school campus as part of the program and also distributed sports kits, dustbins and stationery items to students of the school. Speaking to media person, senior faculty member of DM College of Teacher Education, Dr. Chirom Shantikumar said the contact program was held to acquaint the B.Ed and M.Ed trainees to the roles and responsibilities of teachers. A health camp in collaboration with State Health Department was also conducted as part of the contact program.
Classroom da aigi satra sing sibu tambiba khakta nataba oza gi thogjang si yamna sawe ana oza moina ina togadaba si aigi satra singbu isagumna nungsena loina bini aigi leijeriba gyan si makhoida piba haibasi aigi number 1 ahan ba ithoni loina aigi principal aigi headmaster mistress ta magi administration da ai matiang pangnu hodani adagi satra singi ekoigi tangai phadaba program sing ekoi sinbang ambagi sakti ekoi khuta leibatai program adu ekoi implement toba ngambatai aduga ekoi gi school gi college gi administration si ekoi support toba tai parents sing afaba mari samgat patai community ga afaba mari samgat patai punamak si ekoi pangthopang ngambasi asi asengbo ozane na ai khanjai.
Lystrom Mani Gaura Sangeet Academy LMGSA in a press release informed that members of the academy held a condolence meeting at its office to grieve the untimely demise of Vice Principal LMGSA and drum teacher Yumnam Thopa from Thobal Wangkem, Maninglekai on May 17. Private School Development Council PDSC drew the attention of the government to check and prevent construction and establishment of new schools and tuition centers near the vicinity of government recognized schools. Speaking to media persons at MMRC and Unity Park yesterday, President of PSDC, KH Menjor Mangang, appealed to the government and authorities concerned to inspect the constant shifting of schools from one location to another and further check the construction of new schools and tuition institutions near an already established school. Speaking further, he maintains that PDSC will start felicitating teachers from both government and private schools who have contributed in helping students to secure positions in state board and council examinations for class 10 and 12, including the CBSE. A 15-day tree sapling plantation campaign organized by transport service provider to the students of Khongjom Circle was launched at Khongjom Thoubal district today. SDC Khongjom and Khongjom police station planted approximately around 150 tree saplings to mark the day. Members of Zila Parishad, Pradhan of Gram Panchayat, officers of SDC Khongjom and Khongjom police station attended the launching event of the campaign at SDC Khongjom office today. General Secretary of the organization, Sanatoy Sapam, stated that the campaign on the theme Safe Environment for Next Generation was conducted with an aim to improve the rapidly deteriorating climatic condition. He maintains that trees will also be planted at the complex of all government offices in collaboration with elected members of the Panchayat at Khongjom Circle. He further appeals to the Forest Department to extend possible assistance in this regard. Shiv Sena Manipur State in a press release greets the people of Manipur, especially the Muslim community, on the advent of Ramzan, the holy month of fasting for Muslims. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Tripartite talks of UNC, Government of Manipur and Government of India end with no definite resolution at Senapati headquarters today. JSC's 36-hour general strike over Imphal East District Hospital row affects normal lives at various places. Imphal City remains unaffected. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Kem Chan, attributes lack of development in the state to voters choosing wrong candidates during elections. And the BJP leader B.S. Yeddyurappa resigns as Karnataka Chief Minister ahead of the crucial Karnataka floor test to prove the majority.